Hey, are you in a hurry and struggling to achieve the perfect tie for your attire? Don't worry. Follow these simple steps and you are good to go. Place the tie along your left hand. Using your right hand, rotate it around the left hand 3 times. Carefully place an egg on your palm and set it on the table. Add more eggs. Mix thoroughly. Collect everything and place it on a tray. Put it in an oven and cook it for 30 minutes at medium heat. Remove and place it on a table. Still not done? Take a pair of scissors and cut through the middle. There you have it, 2 perfectly done ties. Now you can go to that important meeting.